Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mohan Reddy. In this video, I am going to explain how to create GL accounts in S/4HANA. So let's go to the server. Click on the server /n indicates the home screen. So now we are in SAP S/4HANA 2020 server. So now we are going to create a GL account. How to create a GL account? So the GL account creation T code is FS00. FS00. So this is the most important T code for the we are creating any GL accounts. This is the T code for directly reach this screen. So once here before going to create, once again we will check. Uh, Once again we will check our company code is there or not. So click on this one. Here our company code is REDI. So here we need to change our company code. So our company code is REDI, Reliance Digital, and continue. So you can see and go to this option here, create new options. Click on that one. And before going to create, once again, already we created some ledgers under the particular we created rent GL account and electricity bill GL account comes under the administration expenditure and current asset under the current assets Axis Bank GL account created. So now we will try to create one more GL accounts under the administration expenditure as well as under the current assets. So once click on this new option, and this is the GL account creation. And so under the administration, we already created two GL accounts like rent and electricity bill. So for the rent and electricity bill, we already assigned for 101401 101402. So these numbers already at the time of GL group creation, we assigned. Once again, check it. So GL group's number range creation using with OBT4T4, we already assigned our chart of accounts. So our chart of accounts is RDOC. So under the chart of accounts, we can assign the GL group's number range. So it means now we are going trying to create administration expenditure. So under the administration expenditure, so 1,14,100 to 1,15,000 number range we already assigned. So now in that 1,14,000 to 1,15,000 already two GL accounts we created. So now we will try to create one more GL account. So now we will use 101403 GL account and continue. So here before going to create, once again we'll change your company code. So click this one, click on search option, REDI, enter, continue. Or else, so your company code is enter. So before going to check your company code is there or not, ULMR, this is another company code. So now we need to select the company code Reliance Digital. So click here and once again just go back /n So click on this new one here 101403 and here we need to change our company code REDI and continue. So then automatically here in the screen our under the GL account whatever we are creating company code also display. And now we are going to create one more GL account. Previously rent and electricity bill GL account. Now we are creating two salaries GL account. So all the salaries comes under the non-operating expenditure. So if the primary cost means whatever the expenditure we spend for the manufacturing, whatever manufacturing or whatever is given the services, the major expenditure comes under the primary expenditure, and another major expenditure comes under the secondary expenditure, and remaining all administration, whatever expenditure comes under the non-operating expenditure. So we need to click on this non-operating expenditure. So this is the option displaying only in S/4HANA only, but compared to ECC version, GL account type option is not available in ECC version. It will display directly account group. So now we selected non-operative expenditure or income. Then again we need to select account group. So this whatever we are creating salaries account, the salaries account comes under the administration cost and other. So we'll select this one and short text. So here now we'll create a salaries account. Salaries account and long text also mentioned as same salaries account and go to the control data. Here there are the different types of options. So whenever you are creating the GL accounts, we must and should fill the below mentioned three options like type description and control data and bank master data. So these three options we need to fill, and first one type description we updated, and the second one control we are in control data. Here we can select local balances. So these are all not required now. And reconciliation account option we required for the whenever we are creating customer or vendors, contract accounts and assets relevant to GL accounts creating time only, we can select this one. And these are all options like exchange rate, different key, valuation groups, tax category, posting without tax allotted. So these are all comes under the, we'll explain CO relevant modules. Then open item management means we will select on the open item management for the only at the time of customers and vendor name creation. Now here we can enter short key 001 short key. So click on the short key. It indicates for the posting date. Now control data also we finish and go to the create bank interest. Here you can check there are different types of checkbox is there. So later I explain these are all comes in the relevant to CO modules, whatever. Now, but at the time of administration relevant GL account creation, we will select YP01. So YP01 means it indicates for the general text with allocation assignment. Select on this one and continue. So remaining all not required now. Enter and save. So then automatically you can see here data was saved. So it means one more GL account it will be displayed. So before we'll check RADA. So previously in our company have two GL accounts only, but now salaries account also we created. So this is the GL account process, and one more GL account we are ready to create like current assets. So whatever based on the GL group nature wise, we will ready to create the different types of GL accounts. So, but before going to create a GL account, we must and should assign one GL number for the particular GL account. But we will pick the GL account from whatever we already assigned in GL group number range. So, for example, you want to create any unsecured loans. Unsecured loans means you are taking loans from the banks and it is another financial services. So in these situations, if you create one GL account like a loan from Axis Bank, loan from HDFC Bank, loan from like Muthoot Finance, something. In this scenarios, whatever the GL account creation time, we will select 100401 up and 100500. It means we are having option to create 100 GL accounts under the undersecured loan. So this purpose we assigned complete the GL number, GL group, GL groups number range assigned here. Let's go to the create one more GL account. Go to the server access. And here already current assets Axis Bank is there. Now we are going to create one more GL bank account. So one more GL account. So here we already selected 100701 GL account for Axis Bank. So now we will select 100702 for the one more GL account for the creation of one more GL bank account. So go to the type description and GL account types. So whatever bank accounts we are creating, all the bank accounts comes under the balance sheet. So click on the balance sheet and account groups. Here also all the bank accounts comes under the current assets. So all the current assets comes under the balance sheet. So bank accounts are comes under the current assets. So here we will select the current assets and short description. Uh, Short description means we need to whatever the GL account we are creating. So we already Axis Bank account GL account created. Now we will create a HDFC bank account. HDFC bank account. And the short long text also I'll enter same and go to the control data. Here, whenever we are creating the bank accounts, we must and should select on the balances in local currency. So click on this one and reconciliation account here, assets, customers, vendor, contract. These situations only we will select, and remaining checkbox no need to select. And one more thing, short key. This one we will select 001. I'm sorry, 0001. Wait. There are some network issues. So once again, just go back the screen. Again, click on the login pad. So as for HANA, so these are the some network issues. So in this manner, we'll select and create, select the GL number range from the whatever we assign from GL groups, then automatically we'll create a new GL, a new general ledger account using with FS00 screen. So go to FS00 and click on the current assets. So already 1007001 access account, and now we will create one more GL account. And continuity number will mention 100702. Continue. Currently being. So it means in previous section we already entered the same number. So it will be doing. It will be processing. It shows. So now go to the screen, and here there are some set technical issues, not an issue, and 001 indicates for the posting date. And now we'll finish type description and control data and create bank interest. So here in previously like regular expenditure related, we selected Y001. So but here these are all the field status group. In the previous class we already explained why we are using the field status groups. So now we are creating the bank account. So select YB05. This is the related whatever you are creating any bank accounts, we must and should select the field status groups under the YB05. So continue. So remaining all not required now. So save. So then automatically one more bank GL account, HDFC Bank GL account also created. So thank you. Uh, this is the short section for the how we can create a GL accounts in SAP S/4HANA. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. And regarding whatever I am uploading any video, relevant complete information, I will uploading in description option, whatever like Excel, Word, PDF, whatever any mode, I'll provide this one with free of cost. Thank you so much.